All right, we're live. Let me check my Twitter.
I'm gonna close Chef here, guys. Lock in some gains just in case we fucking continue to fall.
Yeah, I'm thinking about
That
closing AMD.
that's actually a good TV. I just looked at the specs on it because it's 120 refresh rate. So if you play video games and stuff like that, that'll make a difference.
And
All right,
Apple's
I'm
SPY.
close Chef.
And like when you're watching sports too, you won't get the motion blur with the higher refresh rate. Holy shit, Apple is dropping a lot.
Yeah, striking down SPY.
Ooh, my puts are up.
Trying to close AMD, guys, for a 56% profit. We'll see if it gets filled. Wish I could right click and hide positions. Like Amron, just fucking hide it. Don't let me see it.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna try to hit maybe possibly that trend line we broke out of.
I mean, in all honesty, I could hold AMD for 100% profit. Because I don't think it's going to nuke down to 75, but it's just not worth the risk.
What are you at right now?
I'm closing it for about 60.
$60 is better than 0.
Yeah, exactly. 60 is better than losing money, that's for sure. They have a 16 delta, so I could easily hold on to it. I've got enough exposure, though. I'm still holding Walmart, Neo, UNG, VIX. Got enough exposure.
Has anyone ever bought a TV at Costco?
No.
I gotta get a sound bar too.
Yeah, surround sound, dude.
I can't do the surround sound in my apartment. I could do a sound bar though.
5-inch TV.
We talked
This res
about this yesterday, guys. Apple sells off on these conferences.
Good. I got Apple puts.
Yeah, you're looking good, man.
Who said they got Apple puts?
That was Raj.
Oh, okay.
I think you made the right decision, KM.
Dude, if you had a 380, that shit was up so much.
Yeah, dude, I wouldn't be worried about that, dude. It's at 460. You're doing fine, man.
What's a 380 going for right now?
It could see 472 tomorrow, but if the markets pull back, you're not gonna get it.
It's just like saying, okay, they're at 8K. It's just like saying, okay, well, I could have made an extra $500 or 1K. When you're up 8K,
Yeah, do you have the ones that expire this Friday? Oh yeah, dude. Yeah,
yeah,
get rid of those
yeah.
things. It's at a 95 delta, dude.
It's literally bottom.
Good fucking god, man. They were at 20 yesterday. They're up 400%, damn near 300%. Jesus Christ.
Oh, that's not that bad, USLT. Only $400.
Good fucking trade, man.
Yeah, you 8x'd your money, man. Don't even look at it. Or if you look at it, just fucking get a new trade, man. Throw back in your 1K. You know what I mean? Throw back in the 1K that you put in initially. If you feel like
Yeah.
you need to be in it.
Yeah, take out your profit and put back your principal.
If you're gonna beat yourself up for not being in it, that's the best way to do it. Therefore, you can say you have skin in the game.
Yeah, I
Markets are
can't do that
dying.
here.
They probably don't let you in the apartment, do they?
And I wouldn't want to, because if I blasted, the neighbors will bitch. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I just want a sound bar just to make it like so. Because like my TV right now, even if I have the volume all the way up, it's hard to hear because like
It's
the speakers are
It's also
shit.
unethical, like even though they allow you to, it's like not really.
The 300 smart bar or sound bar is the cheaper one. They have the 500 and then the 700.
VIX is finally starting to climb. I think my VIX position is gonna be saved, man. Knock on wood, we'll see.
Starbucks is holding up pretty good.
Yeah, a lot of big names are not doing too bad, even though the market's fucking tanking.
Yeah, USLT again. I gotta wait for a house to do that. Fucking put a subwoofer in here. The people underneath me are gonna go wild. They'll be drilling holes through their fucking ceiling into my place.
I lived in an apartment once, well, with an ex of mine, and we used to argue all the time. And the people downstairs used to bang on their ceiling with a broom or something all the time.
That's why I don't even want to go to an apartment, dude. I just want to go straight to a house. I don't want to live that lifestyle.
So what I would do is I would stomp the ground back.
Man, it's not a good relationship with your neighbors.
That was not a good relationship, period.
So play some DDR. Get a little dance pad.
Yeah.
Man, I haven't played that in like 20 years.
This one has the best review.
Them bows are really good. They're not cheap though.
Yeah,
Holy
$800.
$100. But look at the reviews.
Yeah,
Gotta be good. I'm a review whore.
Walmart is the only premium that I'm selling that might go against me. I think AMD is safe. Neo is safe. VIX is safe.
it's either buy this or fucking build a badass PC.
What do you use more?
I definitely use my PC way more than TV.
I don't know. I have to wait for Black Friday to get a TV.
Yeah, but the thing is, though, are they going to have deals on TVs like this? Usually, aren't there deals like on all like the cheap ones?
You might still get a deal on OLEDs. TVs get cheap real quick.
Yeah, the technology advances so quickly.
Just like a computer, right?
Yeah. That's why in my head I thought the OLEDs were going to be a lot more expensive, because back when I was looking at TVs, they were like fucking 2K plus.
Yeah, maybe I will wait then. Like it's not that far away next month.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
My fucking power went out for some reason.
Rest
Sounds
in
like you're on
peace,
the
man.
shitter.
Sounds like
Yeah, is
you're
that-
in California.
Yeah, is that Caesar?
Hey, bro.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
using my phone.
your voice sounds different. Are you using a filter?
It's phone audio.
I'm using my phone. Why?
Taking a
Sounds a
deuce.
little different.
Putting in an order, guys. Check my channel.
It's my, does my voice sound deeper or muffled?
Sounds like you're on the fucking toilet.
Yeah, it sounds like you're taking a deuce.
Okay, hang on a second. I gotta.
Damn, so it's saying the Samsung one's the top of the line right now.
All right, I posted it in my channel, guys. A little complex. If you guys don't understand how to do these trades, I wouldn't follow it. It's not filled. It's just a bid right now.
Holy fuck, this thing's $1,700. Yeah, that's not happening.
The sound bar or the TV?
The soundbar.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I can't do that. This is 7.1. That's why. Yeah, we don't talk about that though, Evo.
Yeah, Evo, that's a different person.
The TV is gonna depreciate. I could have turned that 6 grand into 20 grand.
Plus, dude, it's the experience of being there. Gotta have fun.
The mini vacation. It's a very, very short vacation.
Did you guys hear my toilet flush?
Oh, man.
I thought you said Q LED or OLED was better than Q.
That's what they were saying. Hopefully it fills me to get out of AMD by the end of the day. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to hold it. The theta's still going to burn for me.
All right, I got my computer back on.
They're not going to do that shit, Moneybag.
That'd be wild, dude.
Those shares that I bought on SQM are fucking killing it, dude. They're up 8%. Yeah, Walmart doesn't look too good. It might hurt me overnight. We'll see. How the fuck is VIX still not breaking out? Incredible, dude. God, I hate trading VIX. Remind me to never trade this dog shit ticker again.
Should we punch you in the face?
Yes, please. Holy fuck. It's like SPY is like literally waterfalling and VIX is not going up. It's incredible.
KM, you got out of Tesla at a good spot, man.
Fucking look at this. It's straight down for how many hours? Like 4 hours. So frustrating.
Holy shit, Tesla nuked.
I mean, after that run up, dude, like, how much more does it have?
Yeah, I think we test that line that we broke on ES.
Well, both the gaps I told you guys about on Tesla have filled. The gaps that I talked about in the summary of markets, yep, they're easily filled. It destroyed both those gaps.
We just filled the SPY gap underneath us. Not the body, but the wick we did.
The funny thing about this gap is I could actually say this is not filled because it gapped above the gap. If it comes back down, there is still a price inefficiency at around 430. This is filled. There's still a remaining gap. And I could even take this lower. I could take this down to here. So there's a price inefficiency from 430 to 420. Tesla's favorite number. That's the new gap on Tesla.
Interesting.
This also looks like it's putting in a bear div, if I had to guess. Yeah, it is. It's putting in a 50-minute bear div. One hour is outside the Wick Sniper. 4 hours outside of it. Daily's still got some room. Yeah, diagonal on Neo is really good. The Tesla is still okay as long as it's above like 442. Lots of support around that area.
FedEx earnings today.
Yeah, I think it's after hours.
I could see him doing good. I mean,
They
I like
should.
playing earnings, but
ALXN is on fire right now. The pharmaceutical company. You're getting a lot of calls today, FedEx. We got 100,000 calls.
There's a massive 700K call sweep from Microsoft.
Nice. U.S. Justice Department inquires into Nikola fraud claims.
Nuke it.
That shit's really going to zero, huh?
Almost like somebody predicted that.
They had a factory.
Yeah. Dude, if we shorted that pivot, imagine.
What's it?
At 33? What are like the $10 puts?
It's going to $10.
Dude, honestly, it's dog shit. They're 50 cents. I might grab a few. Could buy the January $10 puts for $1.60. Do we buy the January $10 puts, or do we buy the October 16th $10 puts?
Look at the daily, and if you just ignore that one day it pumped up with the GM, it's a descending triangle.
The dog shit stock is what it is. What is KNLA? What is that? KNLA. Yeah, I'm not sure what you're talking about, Emiliano. You're about to go all in on Nikola? Yeah, right, dude. The worst decision of your life. This is the fucking most dog shit stock I've ever seen in my life. Absolute dog shit. Don't even have a factory. Photoshop all their fucking presentations. They're using wires to fucking power their trucks on stage. They're rolling their trucks downhill to demonstrate them driving. Company is dog shit. GM is pulling out of the deal. You could I wouldn't invest in Nikola with your money, like JMA always says.
You just show them this.
You couldn't fucking pay me to buy Nikola.
On this Twitter post.
What is this? Oh shit. That's perfect. There you go.
I don't know. You know what I mean? That sums it up.
That
Basically.
sums it up. Everything I just said.
Their old CEO sold the top though, and then stepped down.
Yeah, man. The exit scam.
Sounds like an
Genius.
exit scam to me.
You're talking
Much
about from
at this point with crypto.
PIQ?
I think I have to put my money where my mouth is at this point. $10 puts.
You think it's going to $10 though? Like, how far out are you taking or looking at it? Oh, I know you're streaming. No free alpha.
When is the Apple event?
It already happened. It was this morning.
For the 5G phones?
No, they didn't cover their phones. It's just about the watch.
I wouldn't buy $20 puts for that close. That's pretty pretty scary. If I was buying actual puts on nickel, I'd go out to at least October.
A 250 put. What are they, a penny?
Fuck, I might go buy this TV tonight. USLT's got me all fucking hyped up.
Who took the Tesla put? Someone in here took Tesla puts earlier. I think, was it Kip?
It's Moon Pie, I think.
Moon Pie, yeah. It was Moon Pie.
Get a 90-inch Sony, dude. That thing will give me brain damage.
When you guys were a kid, well, some of you guys are younger. When I was a kid, my parents always told me not to sit too close to the TV. It would hurt my eyes.
Hey, Rob. Hi, Coney. What are you guys doing? Oh, you meant puts. I got you. Yeah. No, I'm with you, man. Fuck Nikola, dude. What a dog shit company.
Do you guys get the Geek Squad protection, or is that a scam?
Actually, pretty good. They replaced
It's, I
almost
wouldn't,
anything.
I wouldn't get it on something that's doesn't tend to break down, like a dryer, but I would get it like on a TV, a washer, a computer.
Dude, my cousin bought it for his laptop, and he had his laptop for like a year and a half, and it fried, and they gave him a newer model Alienware from that warranty.
But don't the electronics come with a manufacturer warranty as well?
1 year. They're
Yeah, but
usually
then you're
1
gonna
year.
end up with a shitty refurbished one.
And the thing is if something goes wrong, you have to send it
You have
yourself.
to RA it. It's a bitch. Literally, my cousin went to Best Buy, turned in his laptop, and got a brand new model, even
I
better.
bought it on a printer. I bought the replacement thing on a printer once, and all I had to do was take it back up to them, and they gave me a brand new one.
Yep. I actually think that warranty is pretty good.
It's
Yeah.
400 bucks, more than $410 for the Geek
How
Squad
much is the
protection.
TV?
How
Yeah,
much is the
exactly.
TV?
What?
TV's 2300.
Yeah, it's like 20% of the TV. I don't.
Yeah, it's kind of high.
Yeah.
TV's gonna be fine.
What?
Just don't throw
So-
your controller at it, and it'll be all right.
It's probably gonna be fine, bro.
No, I don't trade futures. I was going to get into futures, but the volatility scared me away. I think once it calms down, I'll hop back into futures. We do a lot of analysis on futures. We look at ES and Nasdaq. I post daily analysis for those. I post like levels to watch, levels to trade, shit like that. But I don't live trade it.
What the fuck is Square Trade?
That's the company that does the warranties on some items.
So I think I'm gonna get a sound bar too, but I'm not gonna get an expensive one because I'm not planning on blowing the fucking speakers out here. Like I'll wait till I get my house and get a full surround sound and shit.
Not a bad idea.
I just gotta find one that's worth getting. That's not crazy
Tesla.
expensive.
Look at this nuke, dude. Holy shit. About to lose that 442 level real quick.
Do we like Apple for a reversal intra-week?
I don't like
I'm still in
picking up
my Apple trade.
anything until the Fed meeting tomorrow, to be honest. For you guys that trade naked, picking up anything before the Fed meeting is pretty rough.
When is it? Is it at 10?
It's tomorrow, I'm not sure what time. But I'm just selling premium, so it doesn't really hurt me too much.
How big does your account need to be to sell premium?
It could be tiny. You just need to have enough to cover the max loss. As long as you're doing spreads. You just don't want to be selling naked. Selling naked, you need a
I
massive
thought you were
account.
selling naked.
No, I don't sell naked. That's fucking...
I wouldn't
That's
sell
so.
naked even if I had 100 grand.
Yes, Trent. Still holding everything. My channel and Twitter are completely updated right now.
Only mistakes I made today, I hopped back in Neo too early. And I could have closed AMD when I said I was going to. It's 60%. It's at 45 now, so not a big downside. Everything else did very well today. The fucking Intel predictions, dude. It's just so stupid. It's hilarious, actually. That is what, the fourth sell-off that Intel's predicted? Let me guess, VIX is still not going up. Dixie, dude, will not leave this 93 range. Been sitting at this 93 range for so long. Dude, VIX just looks like it wants to explode out of this fucking accumulation.
Remember, it's contract rollover day.
Yeah, that's the only reason it's not really moving.
But if you look at VIX, it is moving.
What is rollover day?
The futures contracts roll over. They all expire today and they roll over to the next contracts.
For next month.
So basically, when there's rollovers, there's like no opening volume. It's all closing volume. People are closing their contracts. They can't open new ones.
Thank you.
So the buy volume is going to be extremely low.
I didn't even
Tesla
think
free
about that.
fall.
I didn't even think about that USLT. You're right. Probably won't be any Black Friday in stores.
No, it'll be all Cyber Monday's probably going to be fucking popping.
Yep. I'd be scared to fucking order like something big like that online though, like to have it delivered.
You live on the north side, you're fine.
No, not about getting stolen, about getting fucking broken and then having to deal with shit.
Fucking throwing that shit.
Yeah. Yeah, you know those Amazon guys, they don't give a fuck.
Fragile.
Yeah,
Huh.
Thrain, they have there's a lot of call sweeps coming in on UVXY as well, not just VIX. Yeah, VXX, trading VXX the past 2 weeks has been the most frustrating thing. It's not doing what it's supposed to be doing, but it's because of the rollover, most likely. Sell-offs like this led VIX to skyrocket the last like month. But these past couple of weeks have been horrible. It just bleeds out. This is what VIX naturally does. VIX naturally bleeds out. So if you get caught in one of these bleed outs, there's just nothing you can do. You just basically sell puts. Or sorry, sell calls.
Johnny, did you see the crime this weekend?
Yeah, I saw it all over Twitter. It was like 40 shot or something.
60 something people shot, 15 dead, I think.
It's such a joke, dude.
Fuck, dude. Fuck that.
I've lived in
Chicago.
the south side for 4.
You lived in the South Side for how long?
The past 4 years.
Is that the bad side?
The horrid side.
Where everyone's getting shot?
Yeah, but my neighborhood's actually like kind of a bubble, but the surrounding areas are terrible, and
Oh, I see.
sometimes it leaks over.
You hear gunshots?
There's been shootings on my block.
Nice.
That's fucking wild, dude.
Yeah, you couldn't pay me to live in the fucking city. I wouldn't even take a free place. I'd be insulted.
Oh, I hear that.
My rent is cheap though.
Yeah. I grew up in Bridgeport.
That's kind of west side though, right?
No, that's south. It's by Comiskey.
Right.
It's not as south as you are, but
It's in the 20s.
30s.
I live in a not like the worst part of town, kind of shady part, and I hear gunshots at night, but I live in a circle where there's no through traffic. So it's like you were saying, it's like a bubble, and there's stuff going on all around me. But this particular street is just circles off. So nobody comes in here unless they live here and they're nicer houses than one block over.
Dude, the problem with Chicago too is like even the nicer areas are starting to get, starting to feel it.
It's bleeding over. Yeah, we live in Northern Virginia, so we don't have a lot of crime.
Trump said he's bringing martial law. I've been waiting for 4 years for it.
It's got a lot of heroin and opioid, right?
Talking to me or them?
I was talking to you. I heard that there's a big opioid epidemic in Virginia.
Oh, it's not terrible. Not in my area. It's probably more south.
Hey, Deja, thoughts on Netflix?
Dog shit.
Okay, thanks, man.
Yeah, they have
Analysis. Thanks.
You know, I looked into that whole thing
Come
with
on.
that fucking movie they made.
that's why it's dog shit. They've got the thing all over my Netflix every time I turn it on.
Well, the reasoning behind why they made that movie was good.
There's no defending it, dude.
fortunate.
I saw some clips on Twitter. It's the most disgusting shit I think I've ever seen.
And I agree with you completely. What I'm saying is the reason is they were trying to bring attention to that problem, But it's like you don't make a movie where a woman gets raped in order to bring attention to rape.
Dude, that
The
movie last night when I was looking, it's in the top 10.
it's fucking disgusting, dude. I've literally only seen like 3 or 4 clips that were posted on Twitter, but it is horrendous. Like I can't believe they fucking made a movie like that and they're shilling it to everybody. But yeah,
They were-
Netflix doesn't technically look too bad, Castro, as long as it gets above 500 like we were talking about. You could trade it here, but it could go down to 488 pretty easily. If you're okay with it going down that low, then
I take a far dated call.
if you went far, I would go like 500s, 505s, somewhere around there.
Anybody who judges a child pageant should get the electric chair. Officiates it.
What is this puppy murder? Oh no.
See, the thing that annoys me is like that movie is horrible, and it's like what John said, where if you want to bring attention to puppy murder, you don't make a movie murdering puppies. But
Who's
like
murdering fucking puppies?
he posted a link, the sarcasm, because in the movie the person who made the movie wanted to bring attention to child exploitation, but you don't exploit children in order to bring attention to it. And I get that. The thing that
I get
not triggers me, but upsets me is like this stuff has been going on for a while because there's like TV shows and movies and stuff for the past 10 years on Lifetime Network and TLC about dance moms and all this other stuff.
I don't pay for Netflix, but if I did, I'd probably cancel it. You see, they're actually investigating that shit now, right? They're investigating the production of that movie,
good. It's fucking sketch.
and people are still trying to defend it. And it's literally being investigated criminally.
Wu Tang free.
The
Go
price
back
is
down the
right.
AFC road, huh?
Yeah, don't get money back going again.
Save it, C's. Save it for Call of Duty.
Yeah, see, we got 10 minutes left, guys. Relax.
So this one time I was at a brothel and
Oh, here we go.
Hey, Lynn, we need you to moderate more. That's what we need. You need to speak up and moderate the channel more. Keep them in line. I said your name wrong again. God damn it. Eileen. Eileen, we need you to moderate more.
A Snowflake IPO comes out tomorrow. I don't know if anyone's getting
What is
into
Dime the CEO?
Snowflake is gonna be the shit.
Give Eileen ban rights. It's gonna be fucking
Yeah.
clearing the channel out in one day. Do some fucking house cleaning.
Yeah. Let her ban people. If AMD pumps a little bit, it should fill me to get out. The 52%, trying to get out at 60. We're up 25% on the premium on Neo that we sold, but we're down 20% on the call side. Nice, Calvin. Yeah, UPS, that you're basically playing earnings, man. I hope you know that. Because UPS is going to react to how FedEx reacts. That's what happened to me when I traded CRM. I got fucking bent over by D-Dog and what was the other one? FSLY.
Yeah, it's CrowdStrike.
Yeah, I was trading CrowdStrike. I got bent over by CRM and D-Dog.
That was a very emotionally taxing 48 hours.
Yeah, it was ridiculous, dude. Back-to-back earnings. What a fucking joke.
Hey, check out pins. Pins might be a good long entry here.
You guys are new to the stream. If you haven't figured out already, the Discord, the voice chat, we're very vulgar. It's very much like an actual fucking broker, like a trading floor. We're not trying to make everything pretty and butterflies, and
My bad.
it's a Wolf of Wall Street basically. Now, if you watch my educational content, it's a different story.
PG.
Yeah, it's PG. PG-13 sometimes. Sometimes I cuss in the videos. I try not
Speaking
to.
of crowd, check out crowd. Look what it's trying to do.
Interest doesn't look bad. It's like resting on this support. It looks really
Yeah.
good, actually.
Closing above resistance too.
If it gets above 38, it will fly. You have a gap all the way up to 39.
Check out crowd.
Let's do it, us.
Crowd has a gap to 141.50 as well. That's the earnings gap that bent me over that we were talking about.
See that ascending triangle?
On the shorter time frames, yeah.
Daily.
Yep. 1 hour
Right
looks
there.
really good.
You could look at the pivots, the top of the triangle.
Yep.
It's trying to close above the pivot right now.
Gonna
I
go
might take-
go for a gap fill maybe.
Yeah, I might take this here. Like, if I could get filled on the last minute here, I might take this.
Yeah, you got 4 minutes. Gap
Yeah,
fill
just-
would be 141.55.
See what contracts I like. What's the gap fill?
141.50. My Chewy order is not going to get filled, and my Intel order is most likely not going to get filled. We'll try to get filled on those maybe tomorrow after we close up. Oh, AMD, nice bounce here. This might fill me. I think, like I said, you could hold AMD for 100% profit most likely. It's just not worth the risk going into the Fed meeting. I want to close up positions and not be too exposed. The last Fed meeting fucking hurt me.
What time is the Fed meeting?
Not sure what time it is.
Price not to open anything.
They're usually pretty early though. If they're not early, they're usually around like 2 o'clock. I should get filled here on AMD. It's about to fill me. If it goes up like 10 more cents, it will fill me. Yeah, Oscar, I got a bunch of shit going on, man. This isn't even all of it, dude. I've got like 4 different screens. I got all this shit that I've built. It's pretty
Dude, that Grow Generation Corp that we traded a couple weeks ago, it's breaking out again as well.
pretty complex, man. You don't even want to see my other monitor, Oscar. Fucking covered in 1, 2, 3. It's like 10 scanners, 12 scanners. I got all kinds of shit, dude. It's nuts. I'll send you a picture in your DMs. Grow, GROW.
Yeah. Oh, GRWG.
I was about to say this one looks like dog shit. GRWG. Oh yeah, it's back above that pivot, the 50-minute
Yeah.
pivot.
I just took that trade, guys. I don't have time to type it in my channel. October 16th, 1750 calls.
Looks pretty good. It looks like Workhorse before Workhorse broke out. Yeah, look at Workhorse before it broke out, and then compare it to that chart. Almost identical.
Ticker?
GRWG.
GRWG.
Yeah, there you go. 2 o'clock. They almost always are at 2 o'clock. There you go. 2 p.m. I'm gonna try to have some positions button up by then. Probably most likely close AMD. If Walmart's profitable, I'll close Walmart. Everything else I'll probably hold on to.
How much time do I got? I just took crowd too. 135s, October
10
16th,
seconds.
135s.
10
October
seconds.
16th, 135s on crowd.
5. Ding, ding, ding. We close green on the day again, guys. We're on a green streak, man. I like it.
Crowd closed above the pivot. Let's go, baby.
You
That
guys,
was the last minute buy.
you guys green or red on the day? How you guys doing? Most of you guys are green. Love to see it. Everybody's green. Okay, okay. Everyone's green. All right. Love it, guys. Love it. You guys like this more laid back style of trading, don't you? I know a lot of you guys probably aren't doing it, but fucking better. Every person's green. All right. Love to see it. Adobe block trade bullish after hours. Closing up the charts. Closing up all my scanners.
You know what time it is, boys.
All right, everybody on stream, you guys know the deal, man. Appreciate you guys being here. If you like the video, make sure to like the video. I will be streaming again tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern, same time as always. If you guys are in Discord, look out for the analysis in the channel. I'll try to do it sooner than I did yesterday, but most likely not. Probably going to be around like 11 o'clock again. So I'll post some more levels. You guys need to pay attention to those levels, man. A lot of you guys DM me talking about how much money you make trading those levels. So I think a lot of you guys can benefit from that shit. Don't just be sitting around waiting for me and J-May to take trades to follow us. Because a ton of you guys make money just off those levels. So look at Bob, look at Gaines. He took that Tesla trade off those levels, made almost $3 grand. But all right, guys, I'll be posting some analysis later tonight. I'll see you guys in the morning as always. You guys have a good one. Peace out.